You searched how to buy shares of Drugs Made in America Acquisition 2 Corp. This company operates in the pharmaceutical sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DMII. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search field and type the ticker DMII to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Drugs Made in America Acquisition 2 Corp. To open the correct stock page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the right stock. Make sure the issuer name, NASDAQ listing, and DMII ticker all match. To invest, click the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. After the order fills, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the link to eToro if you want to visit the platform.